Brand new 100% commission system, free. Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page. Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. So, if you're interested, you put your name here, your email here, and preferably your email here, and then hit the yes big green button right here. That takes you to a page like this, okay? You see my video, and then you see what we actually teach, okay? Among the other things, which is really important, how about never having to pick up the phone? Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you, so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 worth of commissions over and over again. Okay, the whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support, this number right here, and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? So 100% automatic commissions, let your sponsor relax, leverage our 100% free call center so you can start any big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. And another cool thing is we have a 48-hour upgrade, okay? And what does that mean? It means if you start at $1,500 or $3,500, okay, you get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. So you could actually pay $1,500 and make up to $3,500 100%. It's actually 233% commissions, okay? So join the 500 level, get no upgrade. Join the 1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. Join the 3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. So you don't get the products, but you get the up commission bump if you take action, because you're an action taker, right? Take action in the first 48 hours and get the upgrade. So start at 1,500, it's a sweet spot. 1,500, you can make 500, 1,500, or even $3,500 commissions, okay? And then what's the diamond level bonus? It's the Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis and copy trades right when Justin makes market moves. Okay, 48 hours, free action taker bonus. An amazing bonus. Most people give you PDFs that you're never going to use, right? How about I'll be able to make up to $3,500 over and over and again? How valuable is that? Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm blogging. So I'm going to take you to my actual blog. Give me a second. Okay, so 7 high-ticket lifestyle facts, secrets the Guru Network hides. Okay, why am I reading this article? Because in 2026 and beyond, the search engines, the AI are smart. They're listening, they're reading what you post, and they're also listening for what you post. So why would I take one thing and double or triple my SEO, my AEO, my GEO, okay? They're going to listen, so they're going to hear the keywords over and over again, okay? This works like gangbusters, okay? I'll show you in just a minute, but you got to stay with me, okay? I'm going to try to get most of this article out, and then I'll show you actual ranking proof, okay? Multiple ranking proof, okay? On Google and on YouTube. So the architecture of your digital income is either fortress or sieve. Most people operating in the affiliate space are utilizing a sieve model, chasing low ticket commissions. Okay, I'm going to change that. Commissions. Because residuals aren't bad, okay? But you need both. You need high ticket commissions and you need residual income, okay? That are systematically eroded by inflation, hidden management overhead, and the extreme volatility of rented social land. You are not building a business by trading your time for pennies. You're donating your labor to a system designed to replace you the moment you become expensive. You must realize that your current financial stagnation is the direct result of a math calibration for poverty, keeping you dependent on the low-ticket volume that the Guru's class dictates to ensure they maintain absolute control of the high-ticket strikes. So high-ticket lifestyle fact, the gap analysis. The mainstream narrative surrounding the high-ticket lifestyle is intentionally obscured by a guru network that profits from your confusion, gatekeeping the mechanics of high-ticket extraction while funding you towards low-reward, high-attrition activities. You're currently standing in the gap between where you are and where you need to be, not because you lack ambition, but because you lack a system. Okay, the gurus want you to believe that the gap is bridged by hard work. That is a lie. The gap is bridged by math. Understanding the high-ticket lifestyle fact means realizing the entire industry is built on a foundation of planned obsolescence for the average worker. So, high-ticket lifestyle fact and system mechanics. When you look at the high-ticket lifestyle as a mechanical engine, you see the true pillars that define sovereign wealth. 1-800-SIPHON. I gave you the 1-800 number earlier, okay? The filter that removes the noise and keeps the capital. You also can rewind this video. The 233% wealth spear. The high-ticket strike that breaks the income ceiling. The residual shield. The passive HBA layer that covers your overhead so you can operate from a position of strength, not desperation. I still use HBA. It's still a core in my my weaponized strike, okay? I want to make big tickets, commissions, and one time, and I want to make residual income, okay? You need both, okay? High ticket lifestyle 7 hidden secrets. High ticket lifestyle fact. The intentional complexity barrier. The reason the compensation plan is presented as difficult or overwhelming is to ensure you never realize the mechanics of a 3,500 strike are mathematically identical to a $50 sale. You still need the same things are still in place. Which would you rather make 50? Or would you make 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even $5,000? Okay, it's still a sale, and it's 70 times stronger, more powerful to get a $3,500 commission than a $50 sale. Okay, the gurus maintain this illusion of complexity to keep you in a perpetual state of learning rather than earning. They want you to believe that you need a master's degree in digital marketing to succeed. But the truth is you only need a master's degree in positioning. By overcomplicating the path, they ensure you stay in the sandbox of low-ticket affiliate offers. High-ticket lifestyle fact, the 48-hour silver to gold bridge. The network hides this because it allows you to bypass the entry-level dead zone. If you qualify your inventory within the first 48 hours, you capture 100% of the commission, effectively rendering the mentor's passive structure obsolete. Most beginners will enter the bronze level, which acts as a filter that strips away the high-ticket eligibility. So, again, I'll show you real quick. $500, get no upgrade, okay? You get no upgrade, okay? But join the 1,500, you can make 500, 1,500, or even 3,500. If you join the 35, you can make 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even $5,000 by taking action, okay? High-ticket lifestyle fact why the automation cipher matters. You have been told that engagement is key. The truth is the engagement is a trap. The elite earners use a 1-800 automation siphon to filter out non-capitalized leads. By allowing the system to handle the objections, you reclaim your time, okay? The owner is going to call these people back after they listen to a 3-minute recording, okay? And he's going to do the telling for you, and you make instant commissions, okay, to whatever payment processor you want. I have several. If a lead will not sit through a 3-minute automated briefing, they are not your customer, period. High-ticket lifestyle fact residual shield strategy. High-ticket strikes are your wealth engine, but the residual HBA layer is your insurance, okay? So you don't have to have the HBA, okay? But it's something we recommend because then you have, not only do you have the 1-800 siphon, not only do you have assets you're putting online, but you also have a autoresponder that does the selling and telling for you. So for $25 you can get an autoresponder. This is optional, that will respond for you, do the hard work while you're sleeping, okay? 24/7. It'll be sending out emails every single day, okay? How cool is that? The gurus downplay this because they want you chasing the high ticket strike while you bleed out your monthly overhead. True sovereignty comes from having your business overhead liquidated by consistent automated residual income. Okay, I recommend both. High-ticket lifestyle fact, the myth of the sales call. You do not need to be a salesperson, you need to be a system architect. The system is designed to sell itself. If you find yourself convincing people, you're bypassing the funnel and destroying your leverage. When you force the conversation, you signal weakness. When you let the funnel do the heavy lifting, you signal authority. Okay, I told you I would go, I'm going to go right here. What did happen? Okay, I'm going to go right here so I can remember where I was at. Now look. Now if I search, now you know, we're going to go to new incognito window, okay? Okay. New incognito window. Okay, then you know these results are true, okay? Now look, these videos I'll show you in a minute haven't even been published yet. Okay, there's one day ago, and then there's other things that haven't. So there's 1, 2 from me, 3, 4. There's an image that ranked 4 things on the first page of Google. Okay, now we're going to go to YouTube. Okay, we're going to search YouTube for the same search term. Okay, we've already checked Google. We're going to check and watch how different ones. This is part 1. Okay, yesterday. This is part 2, which hasn't even premiered yet. It doesn't premiere for 3 days. Then this is part 3, okay? And part 4, which is like 8 days away. Okay? So there's 5 themes. Then there's a short. Okay? Another video, okay, multiple themes, just like you saw from me on Google and on YouTube, okay? And that's the type of elite training we give you when you join the high ticket lifestyle, okay? And I wanted to cover one more thing on the high ticket lifestyle, okay? Right here, okay? You earn 100% commission on the products you own and below. If you get a member, okay, this is not it. Okay, well, the valuable products, okay? Attraction marketing mastery and Bitcoin day trading mastery. Our handcrafted high-ticket products are developed to teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing and Bitcoin combined. We teach you how to make big money in affiliate marketing, then use that capital to buy assets like Bitcoin and master the market cycles to day trade and escape the matrix. Okay, your money makes more money. How cool is that? The high-ticket lifestyle is not just a program, something to pull out your card and buy. We have a proven money-generating machine that will help you earn massive 100% commissions while you sleep. Then show you how to make insane gains in the Bitcoin market using your own Coinbase. Okay, and this is what we teach. Okay, how it works. Okay, so very elite. Okay, it's not just PDFs that are going to be worthless. Okay, or gifting. Okay, real products. Okay, go back to the article. If I can find it. Okay. This is not it. Okay. High ticket lifestyle fact, the careful tax and positioning. Every day you test the waters at the bronze level, you're paying a tax to your mentor. A single gold strike passing through your funnel while you're unranked is the price you pay for your own hesitation. So if a $5,000 sale came, a $3,500 sale came in, and you're only $500 level, you don't get nothing. You get $500, but $3,000 that passes up to your sponsor. Okay, $500 is significant, but would you rather take action at $1,500 and make $3,500 in the first, So you can make $500, $1,500, or $3,500. Okay, you're not passing up the rest every single time. Okay, does that make sense? So a single gold strike passing through your funnel while you're unranked is the price you pay for your own hesitation. Think about that. $1,000 effectively donated because you're afraid to step into the gold tier. I mean, actually, it's a silver tier, right? Because the 48-hour upgrade, okay, would put you at $3,500 commissions. High-tech lifestyle fact, understanding sovereign engine logic. The industry relies on you viewing this as an affiliate program. It's not. It's an extraction engine. When you start treating this as a business opportunity, start treating it as an automated mechanical system, the scaling stops being a goal and starts being a magnetic inevitability. High-ticket lifestyle fact, the sovereign call. Okay. The industry hides these secrets because they require you to be a sovereign actor rather than a compliant participant. If you're ready to stop donating your commissions to the Guru Network, audit your current funnel positioning, and implement the sovereign engine. It's time to stop being a volunteer fundraiser for someone else's legacy and start building your own. Okay? If you're ready to stop linking commissions in the Guru ecosystem, run the software audit, comment audit, and I'll send you the architectural breakdown. Or you can just click on, I'll show you yesterday's, yes. Okay, you could do this, go to this link, YouTube link, and then go right here, right? And any of my videos is the same, okay? There's a link. Stop this real quick. There's a link to my theme, in the description, okay? So just click on the bottom link, right there you go, right there you go. There was a blue link right there, and just click on that, right? And it'll take you right to my page. How cool is that? So again, this is just put your name, your email, and optionally your number, but it makes it more where we can get a hold of you much more easily. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sully man. Don't delay, get what you did today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.